This video is brought to you by Baseus. Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at audio products from Baseus, featuring sound by Bose technology, Dolby Audio, adaptive noise cancelling, and 100 hours battery life. In this review, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about this series. And without wasting much time, my name is Oni, and this is the Baseus Inspire series. Welcome back, guys, and before we get started, I'd like to disclose that Baseus sent us these products for a thorough review on the channel. And with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, now let's look inside the XH1 packaging. In the box, you get a quick start guide, safety and warranty, a hard shell case, USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and of course the Inspire XH1 headphones. Unboxing the XC1, you get the quick start guide, safety and warranty sheet, USB-C charging cables, charging case, and lastly, the XC1 clip-on earbuds. Now, the packaging and the case looks clean, sleek, and well-made, pretty much in line with what you would expect from a flagship device. Now, Baseus has been known for making good quality products, and now they're taking things up a notch with their audio lineup, the Inspire series, which consists of the XH1, the XC1, and the XP1, which we don't have here today, but they all feature the sound by Bose tuning, and this just means that Baseus has licensed Bose acoustic technology, meaning that the Inspire series are tuned according to Bose certified audio standards. So you're pretty much getting Bose standard sound reproduction, but we're going to test it out later on in this video. Now, at the time of this video, you can find the Inspire XH1 for £149 and the XC1 for £129 and the XP1 for £149. Now, in terms of pricing, I think the headphones are well priced for the value and quality that they bring at this level. And if you're interested in purchasing these, be sure to look out for discount codes. And for more updated pricing, links will be in the description. Okay, now let's talk about design. The Inspire XH1 follows a modern, minimalist aesthetic with matte finishes and subtle metallic accents around the yoke and the headband, and the build quality is great, with soft leather padding on the ear cups and headband. And over here, you can see a nice subtle indentation of Sound by Bose logo on the headband. The XH1 comes in 4 colors: the Starlight Off-White, the Twilight Blue, the Cosmic Black, and the Sunset Coral, which looks absolutely beautiful. No doubt it will look great with the new iPhone 17 in matching colors. Now, comfort-wise, the XH1, weighing about 273 grams, is lightweight and comfortable for an over-ear headphones. The ear cups are large enough to cover my ears, and they feel nice and soft. They seal quite nicely without putting pressure on your ears, so the clamping force is on the mild side. It's the kind of headphones you wear for hours, whether you're on an evening stroll or just relaxing at home. The Inspire XC1, on the other hand, having a very nice, sleek design, they feel very solid and well put together. The Baseus branding on the part that goes in your ear and the Sound by Bose logo on the other side. Now, they clip on nicely to the ears with an open ear design that rests gently on your ears using what Baseus called the Zero Sense air cushions. Now, this gives you a gentle floating feel on the ear without painful pressure points or discomfort. Overall, the XC1's build quality is impressive, lightweight and durable, made with materials that feels as good as they look. Alright, now let's talk about features, and the XH1 packs a lot inside, including Sound by Bose tuning, Dolby Audio, high-resolution audio certification, and LDAC for high bitrate streaming. Now, it uses angled 35mm drivers combined with Baseus Super Bass 3.0 and Super Balance 3.0 tuning. Now, you also get Baseus SoundFit EQ personalization in the app. So the headphone gathers information via a series of tests on your actual hearing, and then it tailors the headphone's sound to your particular hearing. Now, this feature alone sets the XH1 apart from other similarly priced headphones, as you'd normally find EQ personalization in more expensive headphones, and having it in this headphone is just fantastic. More on that later on in this video. Now, the XH1 also has adaptive noise cancelling, which we will test later on in this video. The Inspire XC1, on the other hand, is equipped with a hybrid two-way driver unit with a dynamic woofer for low-end punch. It's also tuned with the Super Bass 3.0 and Super Balance 3.0. Plus, it also supports Dolby Spatial Audio high resolution certification, and LDAC as well. Ingress protection or IP66 is rated here on the earbuds alone, excluding the case, so you're fine with rain and sweat. Just don't go submerging them in the pool. And the one feature I missed here is some wear detection. It would have been nice to have them on these earbuds, but hopefully on the next one. Okay, now let's talk about controls. Now the controls are kept nice and simple here. On the XH1 you get physical buttons and no touch controls, which can be a good thing. And on the right ear cup you have the volume up and down button. Next to that you have the play and pause button, and on the left ear cup you have the power on and off button, and next to that the ANC button for cycling through the ambient modes. Now on the XC1, there are also no touch controls, so you can't accidentally trigger anything, which happens to me a lot when using some other brands. Now all controls are done via this single button on each ear cup, so you can play, pause, skip or answer calls, or turn up and down the volume of your music. Okay, now the next thing is the app. Both devices work seamlessly with the Baseus app, and I must say that the app experience is great. Everything from the UI to pairing and customization is just seamless. Probably one of the nicer apps that I've experienced in this price range. Be sure to always update your headphones to the latest firmware to get the most up-to-date improvements. And once done, inside the app, you can check battery levels, toggle ANC or transparency modes, or turn on custom adaptive modes. The headphone also features Dolby Spatial Audio. You can toggle this and select between music and cinema. Although the effect it had on music wasn't enjoyable for me on the XH1. You can also switch between sound presets, including Sound by Bose preset. And then you have the Sound Fit mode. And I'd like to draw your attention here, as I think this is a really great feature for those looking to unlock remarkable detail in the way you hear these headphones. Now first you have to create a Baseus account and then sign in and complete series of hearing tests, or select your year of birth for a quicker setup, although I think doing the test is way more accurate for your actual hearing. And once completed, the result is then used to create a unique hearing ID. This ID is then saved on the headphones, and your ID is applied to anything you listen to through these headphones. You also have extra settings to further fine-tune the hearing ID and adjust the intensity. You can also use your hearing ID in combination with the sound presets, which is quite cool. So far, I'm liking the combination between the Sound Fit plus the Sound by Bose tuning or the powerful bass EQ presets. And with these combis, I have little to no need to go to the custom EQ, the fiddle about custom settings. Okay, now moving on, you have the sound settings to toggle bass boost and low latency mode for gaming. You also have the LDAC mode for high resolution audio, although on iOS it doesn't really apply. However, Android users can activate this feature. And then you have other nice to have features in the app, which I won't go into much details, but you have them there. The interface is clean, easy to use, and adds real value to the overall experience. Okay, now let's look at the battery life. Now, battery life is a strong point here. The XH1 delivers up to 100 hours with ANC turned off and 65 hours with ANC turned on. And with fast charging, a 10-minute top-up would give you around 12 hours playtime. That's easily one of the best in class in this range. The Inspire XC1 also delivers 8 hours per charge and 40 hours in total using the case. A quick 10-minute charge will give you 2.5 hours of listening. Both use USB-C for charging. Keep in mind, battery life would always be dependent on the features you have turned on. Okay, now next up, Bluetooth and connectivity. Now both models use Bluetooth 6.1 for fast, stable connections and lower latency. Pairing is quick and the connection strength is excellent. I didn't notice any dropout during my testing, and honestly, the Bluetooth in these are incredible. I tested the range over 2 floors and I left the headphones and the earbuds on the ground floor while I went up to the top floor, and it was still connected and playing with no glitch. It's insane. Check this out. Now we're seeing the end of days where your Bluetooth music playback device just glitches and drops out even when the device is in your pocket or in your backpack. Now you can have your device several floors away with walls in between and still have a very strong connection. It's amazing. The XH1 and the XC1 also supports multi-device pairing, so you can switch between your phone and your laptop easily. Okay, now I'm done talking for these devices. It's time for them to do the talking. Put on your headphones for the best experience. And after the test, I'll give you my thoughts and comment on a few things. First off, we're going to test the ANC performance. Okay guys, take it away.
ANC on. Transparency. ANC on. Transparency.
Okay, now the ANC of the XH1 is good at cutting out the low-end sounds and overall suppressing the noise levels around you. So you'll be able to use this to block out noise on the plane or low-frequency ambient sounds on the high street. Now, compared to more expensive headphones, you'd find that the more expensive headphones will actually block out a lot more low frequency, a lot more sound compared to the XH1, which you can hear from the test. But I think at this price point, the XH1 performs well for its category. And next up is the microphone test, which you can hear. This is a phone call recording of the Baseus SH1 in a quiet room. Let me know if you like the microphone quality of the Baseus SH1 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Over and out. This is a microphone call recording of the Baseus XC1 microphone in a quiet room. Let me know if you like the sound quality of the Baseus XC1 microphone call quality. Over and out. Okay, now the next test is sound quality. Alright, now let's talk about sound. And starting with the XH1, the sound signature is refined, warm, with good detail. It really gives you that Bose signature sound. Vocals are clear, bass is present and feels tight, and there's enough bass here to excite the bass head. The overall sound presentation feels more V-shaped, fun listening experience. The soundstage is good and the instrument separation is also great. At max volume, the headphone maintains composure and it keeps distortion to a minimum, which is fantastic for those who like to turn it up really loud. The Inspire XC1, on the other hand, surprised me the most. For an open ear design, it delivers clear mids, smooth highs, and is surprisingly full low end. You get natural open sound without losing clarity or bass presence. The Dolby Atmos work better here as well. And one thing I liked about the XC1 is I don't have to fiddle around with positioning the earbuds to get great quality audio. I just clip it on and it sounds great. It's probably become my favorite earbuds as of 2025 in terms of sound quality and features. The Inspire XH1 is perfect for anyone who wants ANC, great sound quality, and fantastic customizations. The Inspire XC1, on the other hand, is for people who want situational awareness without sacrificing too much sound quality. Bottom line, if you're looking for the best next affordable alternative to Bose headphones or earbuds that combine great comfort, design, and performance, then the Baseus Inspire series is definitely worth checking out. Links will be in the description below. Okay guys, that's it from me. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to stay connected, and until next time, it's been a pleasure and I'll see you in the next video.